Dripping Sailor on, she got the perfect face. Thumbing through the deck of 52 and she the highest rank. She don't answer questions, she mysterious like the ace of spades. Rebel kind of curious.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So welcome to the first week at SRCC. So I've already filmed the first 2 days of this week. In case you missed out on that vlog, definitely check it out. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. First class of the day, business laws. Clearly मुझे बहुत नींद आ रही है, but yes, we made some notes as well. Second class has begun. It's financial accounting. So ideally our third class should have started right now, but I think आज फिर से economics की class नहीं होने वाली है. So I've decided to start working on a video. I am currently editing the Mumbai vlog. So last class is finally done. Hey guys, it is the next day and I know I didn't vlog anything yesterday, but yesterday I was so busy editing the Mumbai का vlog. That's the first time जब मैंने पूरा travel vlog एक साथ इतनी जल्दी edit करा होगा. And then I had 2 classes in the morning. वो मैंने कर ली, इतनी नींद आ रही थी. So that's the reason I couldn't pick up the camera. And उसके बाद the next 2 classes didn't happen only. And the next class I have is at 1:30. I have about half an hour to chill. But like now I'm realizing how different school and college is. Like school में क्या होता है, if the teacher is not coming, you are pre-informed कि class नहीं होने वाली है. But in college, no one's gonna tell you one day before कि अच्छा कल class है या नहीं है. But it's fine, so far so good. And yesterday only the news was released that Delhi government has allowed the schools and colleges to open from the 29th of November. But then I realized कि वो शायद pollution के context में है and Delhi University was never closed because of pollution. But technically Delhi government has said कि 29th से colleges खुल सकते हैं. So I am really hoping कि Delhi University also opens. 1 like is 1 pray for me कि Delhi University खुलेगा. So like this video like right now. Today could actually be an interesting day. I'm going to go out and I'm meeting my college friends for the first time obviously. So that should be exciting. I will keep you all updated. Got some work done and it's time to join the class now. मेरी कॉलेज की पढ़ाई तो काफी अच्छी चल रही है and I hope that you guys are preparing well for your term 1 board exams. And I know for the board exams it's very important that you guys practice enough and also get all your doubts cleared. And what's better if you can do that for free? I want to let you know about Unacademy's comprehensive preparation package. इसमें you guys can ask your doubts using Ask a Doubt feature and practice efficiently for your board exams using the Emerge Mega Mock Board Exams. And this mock test is really special for you guys. क्योंकि अगर तुम इस मॉक टेस्ट में टॉप करते हो then you can win prizes up to 50 lakhs. Top rankers will be getting MacBook Air, iPad Pro, OnePlus 9, iPhone 12 as well as Unacademy's branded trophies and goodies. This mock test is being conducted from 27th to the 30th of November and if you still haven't enrolled, go do it right now. It is for both the classes 10th and 12th from 5 PM onwards and the subjects of the mock test are mentioned on the screen. But wait, there's better news for you guys. Unacademy के Ask a Doubt feature से you can ask unlimited doubts 24/7 and सिर्फ एक डाउट पूछने से you will be eligible for the free surprise box. And if you ask 10 doubts, you will win 15 days of Unacademy's Plus subscription for free. And इससे better क्या हो सकता है? This offer is valid for the CBSE classes 6 to 12, Maharashtra Board, IIT JEE NEET Foundation and NTSE categories as well. And Ask a Doubt feature को use करना is extremely easy. You simply have to go on Ask a Doubt feature, click a picture of your doubt and select the subject accordingly and that's it, you get the solution instantly. So इससे better मौका to practice for your term 1 board exams and also hold a chance to win some really cool prizes नहीं मिलेगा. So what are you waiting for? It is the last day of the offer. The link is in the description and you can enroll for the mock test and ask your doubts for free using my code Ananya21. In fact, you can use the same code on any of Unacademy's subscriptions to get a 10% off. So it's around 4:30 and as I said, I'm going to meet my college friends for the very first time. So all of us live in the same area. So we decided to meet up because college तो खुलने से रहा. And here's my little OOTD. I'm just wearing a basic white tee, this shirt, my favorite wide leg jeans and a pair of white sneakers. I should leave now. I'm actually late. तो चलो. Hi guys, I'm back home obviously, and today was a lot of fun. Everyone's so cool and we're so excited to go to college by metro together. It's going to be fun if and when it opens. It's actually quite late. I should be sleeping, but I will get some work done and then sleep, so I will see you tomorrow. Hi guys, it's Friday and the last day of the week for classes. वैसे पता है college में Saturday भी classes हैं. That's so sad. But luckily our teachers on leave, so I have no classes tomorrow. Right now I'm gonna join in for my EVS class. Late हो गया, so I will catch you later. So classes are all done. मैंने ना actually सुबह नहीं vlog किया because I realized my timetable is the exact same every single day. Like not even joking. I also got to know that when you take an elective and if you have it like for a specific period of time or maybe throughout all the semesters, like all 3 years, so you also get a minor degree in that elective, which is great क्योंकि obviously मैं eco ही पढ़ने वाली हूँ. I'm not going to take maths or anything. Elective में I can get a minor degree in eco, which is great. Random fact जो मुझे कॉलेज में आगे पता चला है. So today itself I posted the first day of SRCC vlog and you guys seem to love it, so thank you so much. Oh yeah, I was also thinking that I should give a name to my whole college series because I'm going to be making a lot of college vlogs for the next 3 years because I'm practically going to share my entire college life with you guys so that you can experience it with me. But I am thinking of giving it some cool name, like for example College Diaries. This is not the name I'm going to keep. I'm just giving you an idea of what I'm talking about. So if you guys have any cool name ideas for this college series, definitely let me know what you think in the comment section. And I think up to सबका first week of college हो ही गया होगा. So let me know in the comment section how your first week was. Mine was actually pretty chill, but not gonna lie, online classes are getting really boring. But it is what it is. Let me know how your first week was. And currently I'm in the middle of watching this YouTube video. I got a few comments because I think not everyone is from Delhi and you all have a few doubts कि कैसे admission होता है. So I thought I'll address it in this video itself. So obviously you all know SRCC comes under DU and so DU के सारे colleges का application process is the same except for the entrance exam वाले courses. So entrance exam वाले courses I'm talking about the commerce students is BMS, BBA, BBE. ये 3-4 course होते हैं and इनके college भी अलग होते हैं like शहीद सुखदेव etc. So उसमें you have to give the DUSAT exam. But for other courses like BCom honors, Eco honors or history honors etc. कोई भी honors का course अगर करना है in DU, that is completely merit based at least as of now. अब अगले साल अगर CUCT आ जाए तो I have no idea. And by merit I mean your board exam के marks और कुछ consider नहीं होता है DU में. So someone had written a comment कि अगर SRCC जाना है तो 99.9 लाना जरूरी है क्या? SRCC is the best college for commerce in India. तो उसकी कट ऑफ हमेशा हाई होती है. तो yes I would say 99 plus for general category is a must अगर तुम्हें SRCC में आना है. इस साल the last cut off for BCom honors general was 99 and for Eco honors general it was 99.5. So you can imagine बहुत high cut offs जाती हैं. So if you're aiming completely for Delhi University then you have to give major focus on your board exam. That is practically what I was doing. If you've seen my older study vlogs, you know I was only and only studying for CBSE exams. So obviously in 2022 when the DU का process will start, you'll find ample of videos that will help you out in the admission process. So it's like 5 o'clock and my friend is randomly coming over, so I'm gonna meet her in an hour. But before that I'm like feeling so unproductive. मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूँ. So I'm gonna organize my wardrobe. It is a little too messy, so I'm gonna sit and organize this right now because I have some time. Meanwhile I'm watching Sejal Kumar's video. She has just started a new podcast which is amazing. And actually Sejal Kumar से याद आया, it's so cool because I have been watching Sejal Kumar for the longest time. She is definitely one of the YouTubers who motivated me to start my own channel. And the coolest thing was that she was in SRCC as well. And since I also took up commerce, I was like, I have to go to SRCC obviously. I'm practically living Sejal Kumar's life right now. And if I actually think about it, it's so cool that I always looked up to her because uska college bhi mast tha, uska YouTube channel bhi mast tha. And here I am doing similar things. That's just mind blowing. But anyway, let's get back to work. So it's around 9:30 right now and one of the societies ke people or like the seniors have organized this random jamming session. Like they're singing songs etc. How cool is that? it's Saturday and I told you all this yesterday as well that आज कॉलेज की क्लासेस नहीं थी and इतनी खुशी हुई मुझे. I slept इतनी देर तक, बहुत अच्छा लगा. But still I have some things to do today. At 6 p.m. I have like a quiz that's being organized by the Human Resource Development Cell, I think, of SRCC. So I thought online ही हो रहा है, so I should definitely take part in it. And there's also a session on basics of consulting and cracking case competitions by 180 Degree Consulting Society of SRCC. But coincidentally दोनों 6 बजे हैं. So I will give the quiz first. It's just a 15 minutes thing and then I'll join the session. So yeah, that's like the college stuff I have today. But otherwise, I'm just gonna work on the course I mentioned in the previous video. I'm using DataCamp for learning data science, etc. And let me take you through my day. So I'm back at the table. Oh, by the way, I've been using this really cool laptop stand. I got it from Luncheon and it has proved to be very useful for me, especially with online classes and work from home as well. I think you really should invest in something like this because it keeps your laptop at an elevated height, so it is much more easier to use it. Even my friends find this really cool, so I thought I'll share it with you as well. This laptop stand is completely adjustable, as you can see. It's actually a quite heavy duty one and it's made from premium aluminum alloy. It's very stylish and convenient and helps to keep your desk very neat and organized. And another good thing is it has these rubber pads and this holder, so obviously your laptop will be quite stable on this, and it also avoids scratches between the laptop stand and the laptop. I personally find this very useful and I think you guys can also invest in something like this. It fits the laptops of sizes 11 inches to 15 inches. So in case you guys are interested in this, I'll put the link in the description. You can definitely check it out. In fact, you can use my code AGLS20 to get a 20% off. And I will get back to work now. So it's almost 6, 1 minute is left and the quiz is going to start. I'm just giving this for fun. So now that the quiz is out of the way, I decided to join the Zoom meeting of 180 Degree Consulting. Unka participants ka limit is already full. 300 people have joined. So I can't join in anymore. It's fine. I will continue editing now. So finally some people have left and I can join the meeting, but it's too late now. It's been 45 minutes. But anyway, I'm just gonna watch this because why not? And yeah, that's it for the first week. I really can't wait to see what the future holds for me. If you made it till here, comment these emojis. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.